and welcome to day 5 of the 13 days of Halloween series. We are so excited that you decided to come back again for another day, and what I have created for you are these adorable little fry boxes with witch's fingers in one and skeleton fingers in the other. I did purchase the SVG files from the Silhouette Design store, and I had so much fun creating these. And as you can see, I have them packaged up for the grandbabies, and I just used some Halloween papers from my stash, but these were quick and easy and so fun to make. And I do have a tutorial after the presentation if you'd like to see how I made these. These are some just stickers I've had in my stash, as well as the ribbon. I did create the internal offsets so I could have the decorative paper on my fry boxes. I just really like that look. And for the witch's fingers, I just used a couple different like shimmer papers that I had in my stash. And I couldn't resist using the red glitter paper for her fingernail. I just thought that was so much fun. I had to do that. And then I put M&Ms on the inside of the little boxes. And what I did was I used pretzel rod cellophane bags, and then I just trimmed them down to the length that I needed. And it has worked perfectly to keep the candies, if they would spill out, from not going everywhere. And I just used some little twine at the top that I thought coordinated. So that's the witch's fingers. So that's for my granddaughter. And for my grandson, I did the skeleton fingers. I think he'll enjoy these. And I just did the same thing. I used some white glitter paper for the background for the skeleton finger, and then just black heavy cardstock for the box and the overlay of the finger, and some more twine at the top, and the pretzel rod holders, and some more stickers that I have backed with 110-pound cardstock, so they'll be good and sturdy. And I have pop dotted those, as you can see. And on his, I wrapped the twine around to go through this tag. So I thought that was really cute and fun. So I think the grandkids will really like these, and I hope you enjoy them as well. Make sure to leave a comment daily on all of our channels and be a subscriber to our channels as well. Thanks for watching, and have a spectacular day. So I have the fry box cut out, as you can see, as well as the parts for the witch's finger. I did create the different layers using the offset feature in my Silhouette software. That's one thing I really like about it. When projects do not have the offsets, you can just with a click of a button create them, you know, for your projects in the Silhouette. So I went ahead and put score tape on the side flaps, and I did it on the short sides because I want the longer side to be on the outside. And when you do it, you just kind of have to push the bottom in a little bit to get it molded, and then hook that together. But we'll go ahead and take our tape off. We'll do one side and then do the other. Okay. Just want to line this up like so. Line that up along the bottom, making sure it doesn't go past the front. And just push it together, and there's your offset, and there you have it together. And then I just push that up, and we'll do this side. It's our fry box, and it will stand. And then for the witch's finger, we will just fold this on all of the score marks. And what I like to do, so my box is square, is I like to take the piece off the bottom tab. I'm just folding it up, and then fold that over, and then line it up along the bottom, and then adhere that right there. So then when we fold it over, the tape will be ready. But I just lined the bottom, I'll push it out, the bottom of the flap with the bottom of the side. And we'll take score tape off here, and where we have creased it, it folds over nicely, and then just fold it over and line it up like so. And I'll just take that and run on the inside. And for the witch's finger, I did already ink the edges. And here is the fingernail, and we will put some glue on the back of this, line it up along the bottom, and it's made to come over in the middle, like, or run along the edge, so that it's centered. That part here and this part here is centered on the finger. And now we'll put some glue on the fingernail. Don't go all the way to the edge, and just put it in the little U-shaped recess. And whoops, there's our finger, and we will adhere it to the box. And I like adhering it to the part that has been folded over, and then you don't see your seams. And we'll put glue on the box. Make sure we have it where we need it that way. And just line it up like so. Centered. There we go. And I'll take my tool and just rub along the inside. And I did forget, I need to put my pieces on the inside that I've made. Line that up on the inside like so, and push it down, and do the same thing to the other side. I think this came out really cute, and it's a great way to share some candy this Halloween season. And they just tuck in like so. But I think it's so cute, and I love the red glitter paper. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us today for day 5 of our 13 Days of Halloween series. We're so glad that you joined us, and make sure to be a subscriber to all of our channels. Leave a comment daily to be entered into the giveaway. All of the rules are in the description box below. Have a spectacular day, and thanks for watching.